One of Mad Money's most important traditions is saluting our nation's veterans and service members. On Friday, I had the privilege of welcoming West Point cadets to the floor of the stock exchange. And tonight, I'm talking with veterans from across the country to answer their investing questions. And now it is time for a very special Salute to Service lightning round on Mad Money. And that's where I take calls from veterans, rapid fire. You say the name of stock, I tell you about advice, also just go to another caller, stock questions. That time, I stamp, prepare some graphics on the fly. We play the sound. And then the lightning round is over. Are you ready, Ski Daddy? Time for the lightning round. Cramer's Mad Money. Let's go to Tim in Texas. Tim.
Hey, the demand for power plants and data centers could boost natural gas. The yield is 7.5%. Your thoughts on energy transfer right here in my hometown of Dallas, Texas, the Dallas Cowboys.
Well, I just came back from Dallas. I want to salute your service. I want to thank you. And I want to tell you to bye, E.T. Let's go to Buck in Arkansas. Buck.
Cramer, thanks for your continued support of our military and for taking my call.
Of course. What's going on, friend?
Hey, you've educated, taught, and entertained me for well over a decade, resulting in a much earlier retirement than I'd planned. Thanks so much.
I love it. I love it. Thank you.
Hey, I've been riding the wave of Cramer Fave T-Mobile since you first recommended it over 100 points ago. I've heard you continue to sing its praises on Squawk on the Street, as well as your interview with CEO Mike Sievert last month. It also hit an all-time high yesterday. My question is, do you think it's time to take some off the table or just continue to enjoy the ride?
Buck, I think first, thank you for your service, and second, let it ride. You know, I think it's a winner. I'm trying to get people to stay in great situations, not trade around them. Great job. Steven in Pennsylvania. Steven.
Yes, booyah, Mr. Cramer. I want to thank you and your staff for all that you do to honor us veterans and all that you do for individual investors. Thank you.
Hoo-ha. Thank you. Thank you for saying that. I hope I don't let you down.
My stock in question tonight with the recent expansion of 3 Mile Island, Constellation Energy. Is it a good buy now? CEG.
I think it still works higher. I think that the issue here is data centers is using too much energy. They've got a solution. I've liked them for a long time. Let's go to Purry in Louisiana. Purry.
Hey, Jim, what's going on?
Not much. How about you? You tell me.
Oh, okay. First, before we start off, can you give a Bayou Bingo Booyah and a Happy Veterans Day to all the warriors from 3rd Infantry Battalion, 2nd Brigade, 3rd Infantry Division, home of the dog-faced soldiers?
Holy cow, booyah to the dog-faced soldiers of the 3rd ID. What a terrific, terrific division that is. I remember my dad telling me that's a keeper division. Let's go to work. How can I help?
Okay, what should we do with IBM now that Trump is in office?
Well, I think we can hold it. I think we can hold it. Right now, my old friend and business partner Stephanie Link actually was saying that maybe this is the time to actually buy more IBM today. I'm not going to go against her. She's too smart. Let's go with her judgment. Let's go with Michael in Massachusetts, please. Michael.
Hey, Jim, thanks for taking the time to speak with this veteran.
Of course, Michael.
I have a question regarding Snowflake. With Frank Slootman retiring and naming success with some AI experience, which, by the way, Frank believes will benefit Snowflake, do you think Snowflake has a viable product moving forward?
Boy, it's a tough question. And I've got to tell you, first, I want to thank you for your service, but here's my problem. I think that they are up against, I think their margins are going to go down. I think they have a lot of companies that are up against them. Ramaswamy's trying to do a good job. Frank Slootman was Frank Slootman was just a tough guy. I don't know if this situation is too tough right now. I am not recommending the stock. I'd like to go to Monica in Minnesota. Monica.
Hey, Jim. How are you?
I am good, Monica. How about you?
Good, thanks. I want to start with a shout out to the 353rd Transportation Company out of Buffalo, Minnesota. Great
Done.
Team. Yeah, I want to make sure I got that out there.
Absolutely. No, that's why we have you on. We want people to do that. We have plenty of time to talk stocks, but this is what really matters. So how can I help?
Yeah, that's right. Hey, I've been looking at Intuitive Surgical for actually about a little over a year now, and I keep thinking that I missed my chance to buy in here. There's a ton of, I believe there's a lot of market potential there, but their stock price, their P/E ratio is almost to 90. And I'm just wondering what you are thinking about. Would this still be a good buy?
Okay, so Monica, here's what you're going to do. Intuitive Surgical is a fantastic company with an expensive stock. I want you to buy a little tomorrow and then wait literally for down 10 and then buy a little, get a full position by the time it goes down 50, and you and I will do very well with ISRG. And thank you to everyone. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the conclusion of the Lightning Round.
The Lightning Round is sponsored by Charles Schwab. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on X. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadMentions. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.